Okay, we're back live on YouTube. Okay, Mr. Harmon, I just swore you in, correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Christopher Harmon?
Yes.
Are you the same Christopher Harmon who in this cause number 733-130, who's charged with the offense of failure to identify the police officer?
Yes, sir.
This is charged as a Class A misdemeanor. Is that correct?
Yes,
Judge,
sir.
I believe it's a Class B.
Is it a B?
I talked to him and I thought he had a warrant. He seemed to indicate he did, so that's why I put A. But if
And
DA knows better, obviously.
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
Sandoval, your paperwork says B?
On JD on the system, it is a Class B.
Okay, then I'm going to correct it to show it's a Class B. And this is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and your lawyer signed. And when you signed this, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did he explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country, sir? I didn't hear the answer. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense, a failure to identify as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty or no contest.
Okay, did I hear you say no contest? Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you understand on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Judge, it's for a $0 fine. Court costs 22 days at Bear County. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state asks the judgment be satisfied. Sorry, Judge, and it's 25 days Bear County.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Oldersdorf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Harmon?
Yes, sir.
Then, the court, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 25 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today, okay? Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
And Jim, thanks for helping us out today. You can be excused, and I'll sign you a voucher, all
Thank
right?
you, Judge.
Sometime this morning, all right?
Yes, Judge. Would you please ask a pretrial to give me a call on Mr. Brandt? My appointment indicates he's homeless and there's no number listed, and he has court set on the 28th at this point. So I'll let him know about that. Or maybe if Shay could let me know how to contact him if they have a contact.
Okay.
Or maybe they just tell him, you know, anything would work.
Okay, Sonia,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you help him out there?
Oh, I'm sorry, I had stepped away. What was the question?
Judge,
He's okay. Go ahead.